Hey guys, how are you? How are you doing? As you can see, this is the part 2. And what you see right now is from last video. This is the part 2. And I hope you enjoy this video. And I would love for you to enjoy and subscribe, like, and enjoy. Let's see. Well, I got Dark. I remember that guy. He had time, but where's time? Time. Where are you, time? Lava. No, I wanted to be time, bruh. Darkness good? I don't think it's good. Ooh, but gravity. Is gravity good? I don't know. Darkness or gravity? Darkness, because I already have gravity. I want darkness, please. Why is it not? Okay, whatever. Give me nature. Let's see nature. What is nature gonna give us? Hope something good. Hey buddy, you do not want to smoke. Damn. Yeah, he got caught. Bro, why you running? Stop! Okay, no, that's enough. Okay, come on, bro, that's too overpowered, bro, come on. Yeah! Yep, that's bad. That's dumb and bad. But I have to, okay, like always. Christmas tree, oh my god. Let's see this nature Christmas tree thing. Drop it. I don't care about that. Get that. So now I have enough. Dark sword. The dark sword. Get it. Yes. Burn. Bro, come on. You should have been better. Ow. Why is everything so good? Why am I so bad? Bruh. Let's do this. Yeah. Go up. Yeah. That's what I'm gonna do. Stop, brother. Stop, my brother. Fine then. Wanna do it like this? Fine. What's here? It's a mini chest. Bruh. That treasure chest was more like something dumb. Hey. Yo, what's up? Wanna die? I got black, I got white. What you want? I'm gonna use this turn. I'm gonna use your own turn. Never mind. Yeah. Boom. Yeah, die. Come on, die. Yeah. Come on, Bones. Don't fight me. Bro, what? How do you do that? He rebirths. That son of a nutcrack. Die. Yeah, die. Come on, where are you at? Did he quit? Or is he bad? How? Stop! Ouch! Don't try to talk about nature when I'm... You think you can bite me? You can... what? I'm not even know what I'm saying. I'm not even know what? How's that? Die. Die. No, 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 no. Where you at? How'd you already go? No, that's not what's supposed to happen. Why 420? Why? Like, this video, I swear, this is not about stuff like that. Look, let's see this Plantloid. What's up? Damn. Die. Plantloid. Yup. Kill him. Please. Yes, money. Now. Bro had nothing. Bro literally had nothing. Spore bombs. I don't know what the heck is spore bombs. I want to use that on somebody. Okay, pretty good. That's all you, bro. That's all the reach it can get, bro. Schlangeling. That's all I did. Are you cheating? Yes, die. No. You don't. What? How is that possible? Come on, die. No. You don't kill me. Only I can kill you. Yeah. Come on, boy. Come on. You wanna fight me? Come on. Come on, bro. Why are you scared? Brother. Oh my God. Brother. Where'd he go? You're my next target. Yep. Schlangeling. Die. Yeah. That's so bad. No, bro, please grab him. Darkness of Fitness. Yeah. That is, come on. Bring him to me. Now. I need to burn him in his grounds. And I want to, I don't know. What kind of accent I was speaking right now there? How dare you, bro? You die. Don't. Headless? What do you mean headless? This is the second. Oh, the monster headless. Brother, I don't care about that. You know that? I am stuck. Damn. Ouch. Ow. That hurts. Yeah. Shh. No, the money. Yep. Now I'm dead. 21,000. Ooh, now that's not dead. Just buy the whole floor. So I have 12 more thousand. Yay. I don't care about that. Let's go. Go. Big track, that's it. That's all we got. Fine. No. Yes. No. That's terrifying. Yeah. Burn. Yo, what are you? What do you think you're trying to do? How dare you? I'm from on top of you. I am on top of you. Burn. Die. Yeah. I wish I kept my fire ability. Heck no. Nope. Give me that. Nope. Oh my god. Burn it on him. Grab him. Don't grab him, actually. Ouch. Bro, why'd you kill me? I don't want a dumb rocket launch right now. Come back here. I changed my mind. 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 I am good. I am actually more than good. But stop burning me. Why me? Why me? Why? Just tell me what. What's the reason? Why? Bruh, grab it. No. Oh my god, that was a close one. That was a close one. Why am I singing in this moment? No, my money. No. Get everything. No. Burn them. Kill them. Burn them. Kill them. Turn them into an apple pie. Where you at? I said, where are you? You will die now. You are not having this money. You are not having that money. You are not having that money. Nope. You dare try to come here. I'll kill you. I'll wreck you. I'll burn you alive. No, my money. Yeah. Schlangeloin. Bye. No. Down. Stop. Bro, why did I die? At least I don't lose my money. What? I have a lot. Whoa, that's a lot of money. I have a lot of money in my bag. Nature's blessing. Let's see this. I mean, that's good, I guess. Wait, where's my pet? That's my... Why do I look like an Among Us creature with no eyes? Oh, no, that's a headband. Whatever. It's still the same thing. Healing bag. Heal me, boy. Heal me. I'm a baby squid. Yeah, I just said squid. I don't know what I'm saying right now. But at least I'm not struggling. Very good lies, man. Very good lies, Malud. Yeah. No. Oh, you think you can outsmart me, huh? Fine. Wait until you see this. Wait until you see that. Yeah, now you want to do this. Die. Burn. Die and burn. Give me that. Spawn's there. It's you, Spawn's there. How wonderful. Ouch. What is that? What is that? Ouch. Can't I kill it? Oh, it's dead. You little popsicle. Die. You gotta die. You're gonna die. You're gonna die, and you're gonna die. Yep, that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna wreck you. Yeah, stay out of your zone. What? In the middle, right there. So you don't. Planet Fitness. Yep, Planet Fitness. Where you at? Come on. Why you weak, bro? Why you weak? Technology, you're really doing bad stuff. Nuclear that I'm dead. Nice. That's really great. I have 150 exactly. Somehow. I don't know. I don't care. Go. Come on. I'm gonna use my nature. Yeah. Nuclear bomb. Die. Let me just finish off my son. Joe, you gave me nothing. Ouch! I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.